Next, I'm going to talk about EV charging. This is the section where the ecosystem argument really comes into focus, because the charger you end up with and how well it talks to your battery depends entirely on which of these systems you install. All three systems can be paired with EV chargers, but the options and what that means for how fast and how smartly you can charge your car are very different between them. Please do check out our recent video on the best solar EV chargers to get a step-by-step decision-making guide on how to pick the right EV charger depending on your system setup. Tesla Powerwall 3 owners can pair with the Tesla wall connector, which charges at up to 7.4 kilowatts on a single-phase supply. If you have a Tesla vehicle, the integration is seamless. The car appears directly within the Tesla app alongside the Powerwall, giving you a combined view of your entire home energy system. The wall connector can be set to charge from solar surplus or on a schedule, integrating directly with the Powerwall's energy management. The wall connector also does 3-phase support straight out of the box, and it is one of the cheapest EV chargers available. SiGenergy has 2 EV charging options that sit within the same ecosystem. The first is the DC charging module, available in 12.5 and 25 kilowatt versions, which slot directly into the SigenStor stack in place of one of the battery modules. This is DC charging, which bypasses the car's onboard charger and charges the battery directly. The module is CCS2 compatible and is vehicle to home and vehicle to grid ready. There is one thing worth knowing. The DC module draws its power through the energy controller. So on a single phase supply, where the energy controller maxes out at 12 kilowatts, the 25 kilowatt module can only hit its full rate by combining grid power with solar or battery discharge simultaneously. For most single-phase installations, we therefore recommend the 12.5 kilowatt version, which works within the inverter's limits and still charges considerably faster than the standard AC charger. The 25 kilowatt module makes sense on a 3-phase supply when the energy controller has the headroom to feed it properly. The second option is SiGenergy's own AC wall-mounted charger, which is rated at 7 kilowatts on a single phase, which integrates with SiGen for solar surplus charging, battery boost charging, and scheduled charging, similar in principle to the Tesla wall connector, but within the SiGenergy ecosystem. Fox Evo can be paired with Fox ESS's own A-series or L-series AC electric vehicle chargers. Both are rated at up to 7.3 kilowatts on a single-phase supply. These integrate with Fox Cloud for solar-led charging, so when you have surplus solar generation, the charger can automatically divert it to your car and support scheduled charging and dynamic load balancing. They are comparable in compatibility to the Tesla wall connector and SiGenergy's AC charger.